The darkness is absolute, heavy, with the weight of history. Then, a deep metallic rumble vibrates through the very foundation of the earth. One by one, cold white emergency lights flicker to life, revealing a desolate concrete tunnel. It is damp, suffocating, and thick with industrial smoke. At the far end, 11 silhouettes stand in perfect stillness. They wear the heavy, thick cotton kits of the 1970s, uniforms of a harder age. Their boots click rhythmically against the wet floor as they begin their march. You can see the rough textures of the vintage jerseys and the beads of sweat on their brows. A massive steel gate groans open, and they step into a blinding light. Blackness returns for a heartbeat. A heavy metallic impact echoes through the void. When the lights return, the tunnel has transformed. The players now wear the vibrant, baggy kits of the 1990s, colors that pop against the sharpening architecture. The concrete is cleaner, the lines are more modern. They walk forward with unwavering focus, their eyes fixed on a future they are destined to build. Every step is a testament to the growth of the game. The sound of their movement is sharper now, more confident. Every generation carries the torch, and the transition begins again. The text appears on screen. Every generation. The shift is seamless. The tunnel is now a sleek, contemporary corridor lined with clean LED panels that pulse with a soft glow. The players are dressed in modern, lightweight national team kits, engineered for speed and precision. They move with fluid grace, their hands brushing against the polished steel walls as they glide toward their destiny. This is the pinnacle of the now. Every final, every moment of tension, every drop of sweat has led to this corridor of light. The text flickers into existence. Every final. They are the elite, the masters of the current age, marching toward a glory that feels within reach. The final transformation is vast and futuristic. This is a cathedral of shadow and cold, symmetrical geometry that stretches into infinity. The players wear shimmering, white and gold kits that catch the light like stars in a dark sky. At the center of a great void, a lone white spotlight illuminates a golden trophy resting on a pedestal. They stop. Silence fills the space, heavy and profound. The camera pushes slowly between the players, closing in on the gold. The orchestral score reaches a thunderous crescendo, filling the heart with the promise of immortality. But just as the lens reaches the surface of the gold, the light cuts out. Total darkness. A sharp, metallic click. The light flickers back to reveal an empty pedestal. The players stand motionless, staring into the void where their prize once stood. The realization sets in. The goal has shifted. Every dream leads here. But the trophy was never the destination. The journey made the legends. The tunnel never ends. The screen stays dark, but the sound remains. Clack, clack, clack. The rhythmic beat of boots on concrete continues into the unknown. A final massive gate begins to creak open, revealing a sliver of new light. The march goes on, forever.